Dustin, what is love for you? Tumingin sa ano eh, tumingin sa kanan, love for me.
Kay Direk May ako tumingin.
Okay.
For me, love is a commitment.
Okay.
Love is everywhere kasi. So, sa work, sa tao, so, pag andyan ka na, pag naramdaman mo na yung love, kailangan mo maging committed. Kasi marami kayong pagdadaanan ng struggles, ups and downs. So, talagang matatest kayo ng bagay-bagay. But then, kaya ako sinabi na love is a commitment kasi,
Alam mo, kailangan mo ng focus dito.
Oo nga,
ang ingay na yung mga naririnig mo eh.
kaya ako nasabi love is a commitment kasi, ayun nga, talagang kailangan mo talaga pag-isipan bago ka magmahal. Kasi may masasaktan ka if hindi mo binigay yung 100%.
Are you committed? Hindi, joke lang.
Sa movie na to siya.
Will, what is love for Will Ashley?
Oh,
Score.
sa akin may ganyan. Bakit? Love? Ano ba? Napakarami kasi eh. Pero agree ako kay... Ayun, maraming ibig sabihin love. So,
Inuhuli ka ni Cyril eh.
agree ako sa lahat ng sinabi nila. So, copy-paste. De, ayun, pag-commit talaga eh. Pag-commit eh. Kasi, ayun talaga yung the best thing to do eh.
You give your 100%.
Yeah. And ano pa ba? You give your 100% without expecting anything in return. Parang ganun. Ayan po.
Galing. Thank you, Will. Bianca, what is love for you?
Wala ko aminin ko kasi talaga, Sir MJ. I'm such a lover girl. I love
What do you mean
love.
by a lover girl?
Like, I love love. I love talking about love. Gusto ko yung minamahal ako at may
Natatanggap
nagmamahal
kang love.
sa akin.
Yes.
I love love. I think it's so beautiful. Pero siguro, growing up, syempre iba't ibang klaseng love naman yung na-experience nating lahat. Syempre iba't ibang love yung nabibigay natin sa bawat tao na nakakasalamuhan natin. But I think isa lang yung common denominator nilang lahat for me. I feel like love is unconditional. It comes without, again, no conditions. Para sa akin, parang tuwing tinatanong ako, lagi pag-interview, paano mo malalaman kung mahal mo yung isang tao? The thing is, with me, I can't pinpoint it. Ang alam ko lang is that mahal kita. Yun lang. Walang specific reason, walang expectations. I just love you. So I think love is unconditional.
Alright.
So congratulations everyone. Yeah. So maraming excited for this Love You So Bad. Yung question ko na lang is to Will, to Bianca, and to Dustin. Kumbaga,
Recitation tayo kayo.
sorry.
Kayo.
Dugtungan yung Love You, removing the so bad. Start with Will siguro.
Lagot ka. Kaya mo yan, Vic.
Love you.
Siyempre.
Mahirap yan, ha? Yung tanong mo.
Kasi sasabihin, love you so much. Love you
Kahit
so
ako nag-iisip ako,
clearly.
love for
Mahirap talaga yung tanong.
Hindi pwedeng
Mahirap yung ano.
This is
magre-react.
yung not your character, but in real life.
Yung
In real life ba?
Yeah.
Parang,
For example,
Mahirap, diba?
inaano mo na
love
kasi.
you my bestie. Parang ganon. Those are two words. Diba? So,
Or love you as a
Not
friend.
necessarily 2 words siguro, no? Kahit one lang.
one sentence.
Paragraph.
Let's give them the freedom to,
Wow.
without spoiling.
Pwede po mag-CR.
CR lang po kami
CR break muna with
What do you think makes Elevate the right person?
We'll be right back.
Nag-commercial
Babalik.
break eh.
Pwede bang baka hindi kami natulong?
I think let's go left.
Parang medyo nakakuha ko ng clue kanina doon. I don't know if that's an Easter egg. Parang sinasabi ni Savannah na ikaw yung calm. Ikaw yung kanyang peace. Tama ba ako?
Sabi po ni Savannah.
Ikaw naman, LA, ano ka sa buhay ni Savannah?
Siguro ako, kay Savannah, savior.
Oh! Kaya mo yan, Will.
Ang hirap ng tanong eh, kasi every time tatanungin ka, what makes you deserving or what makes you the right person for that person? I believe kasi na walang tamang sagot o walang iisang sagot para din sa tanong na yun. But it's really more of the efforts, I guess. Yeah. Feeling ko dun mas doon nagmamatter.
I get what you mean. Parang sinasabi mo, it's not for you to decide. I give it all my best and it's up to Savannah.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n. Direct.
Basta mahal ko si Savannah. Basta na gano'n. Di ba? Mahal ni Vic. Oh, mahal ni Vic.
Okay. Direct May, baka meron kang inputs sa characters nila.
Ako siguro not as myself, as Savannah.
Okay.
As Savannah, madali lang naman. Love you, my savior. And love you, Mr. Sungit.
Ah!
Yun lang kasi hindi pwedeng real life.
As
eh.
character.
Will, ikaw, Dustin.
As character.
Pwede, go ahead.
As character. As character, ha?
Paulit-ulit ha, narinig ka naman namin.
Okay. Ako,
As character ha.
as character, ha? As character, kung ako si LA ngayon, ang sasabihin ko kay Vanna ay, may makinig ka naman sa akin.
Listening to you, I'm always listening.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo ay, love you forever.
As character. As character yan ha.
As character, ha?
Will, ikaw na lang.
Tapatan mo daw yun, Will.
As character din. Ang sasabihin ko sa'yo, Savannah, I love you to the moon and back.
Alright, thank you Ala. Oy, thank you.
Correct.
True naman kasi, di ba?
Siguro
Hindi para sa
ako,
sarili niya yun.
take your time in choosing. Hindi naman tayo nauubusan ng oras para mamili. And siguro keep the short,
Take your
but
time.
just love as much as you want to. Hindi mo kasalanan na maganda ka at minamahal ka ng dalawang tao.
Oh, taray!
And
Confident.
for my next question po, it's for their